So you've received your new sign, you've unwrapped it. There's going to be a level in the box. You're going to need the level and a couple of pieces of gaffer's tape, which you should be able to get from the flight deck. I want you to make a couple 6-inch strips of gaffer's tape and then tape them to the very top edge, but not over the back. So they're at the top edge. Then take your level, line it up on the blue line where the tape's going to be able to go over the level. Hold your level in place. This is going to be ensure that the sign goes up level when it's put up. And tape it down. Same thing, tape it down. Now you've got a level. On the back of the signs, you're going to have 5 strips of VHB tape. Just go ahead and remove the backings from the 5 pieces of tape. Sorry for the delay here. It's going to take a second. Sometimes tape can be finicky. I'm going to talk about the tape for a second. Keep in mind that we're about to apply the sign over the old sign. Once this tape touches, it's extremely high adhesive, so you're not going to want it to touch until you're actually level and ready to stick the sign. And you also have about a 1/4 inch on every edge to cover the existing sign. So go over to your existing sign, make sure that you're above the top edge just barely. As long as you're over the top, keep the sign angled so the tape's not touching. And then as soon as you know you're level, just slowly lower it down, stay level. And as long as that bubble's in the middle, that tape's gonna stick. And that's it, you're installed. Then just go ahead and remove your level and you're good. And do that at both locations in the tunnel. One should be up on the flight deck and one should be down by check-in. Thanks.